Hola, soy Kavita, mucho gusto. Welcome to my channel Mapa Herbal Talks. Let's talk about Indian ancient life science and ancient remedies. Today we talk about Patanjali Yoga Sutra. The Indian ancient six traditional schools of Hindu philosophy, also known as Shatadarshana. They are Nyaya, Vaisheshik, Sankhya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa, Uttar Mimamsa, that is Vedanta. Nyaya, founded by Gautam Rishi, it teaches logic and epistemology. Vaisheshik, founded by Kanada Rishi, it focuses on the nature of reality and the physical world. Sankhya, founded by Kapil Muni. This school is a dualistic system of philosophy that emphasizes the distinction between Purush and Prakriti, that is consciousness and matter. Yoga, founded by Maharshi Patanjali, it is based on the principles of Sankhya system and provides a path to liberation through meditation and control of mind. Purva Mimamsa, founded by Gemini, focused on the interpretation of Vedas, particularly ritualistic. Uttar Mimamsa, founded by Badarayan or Vedavyas, concerned with philosophical techniques of Upanishads and the nature of Brahman and the soul. Now let's focus on Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Maharshi Patanjali defined the eight limbs as Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Yama means ethical restraints, guidelines for correct behavior towards others, including non-violence, truthfulness, not stealing, not wastefulness, non-possessiveness. Niyama, that is observances, principles of self-discipline and how to live one's own life, such as purity, contentment, spiritual disciplines, study, devotion to the divine. Asana, that is posture, developing physical posture that are stable, comfortable and prepare the body for meditation. Pranayam, that is breath control, expanding life's force and energy through breath regulation and breathing exercises. Pratyahar means sense withdrawal, turning the senses inward away from the external distinction to explore the inner world. Dharana, that is concentration, focusing the mind on a single point or object to train it for meditation. Dhyana, that is meditation, a continuous flow of consciousness where attention becomes steady and one with the object of meditation. Samadhi, that is absorption or enlightenment, the ultimate state of union of absorption, a state of pure contemplation and blissful presence where the seer establishes itself in its true nature. Gracias muchas por ver esta video.